Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a real simple one. I'm just painting these nails, girls. We're just painting these bad boys right here. But I'm not sitting on a bad boy piece of information, unfortunately. But anyways, we are gonna get straight into today's video. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm starting from my cuticle and working my way down to my tip. I don't have too much product on my brush at this point because I do not want to over clump the nail from the beginning, because we are going to be adding a second coat of this. So you don't want to clump up the nail from the beginning because it will just be really hard to work with. So the less product that you have on from the beginning, the easier it will be to have a perfect look when you're finished. A second point that I would probably focus on is not to worry about mistakes. Mistakes are human and it's normal to make mistakes. A lot of the time we're really harsh on ourselves when it comes to making mistakes, and we want to be perfectionists from the start, when majority of the time that isn't always the case, because Rome wasn't built in a day. Perfection takes practice, and you can't get there if you don't practice. So if you are thinking about giving up on nails, don't do it, because you can't get better at something if you give up. Nails is a fighting battle. Like, nails isn't an easy thing to do. It may look like it is, but damn, this stuff is hard. So you gotta give yourself a break for even going out there and buying the products in the first place. Give yourself more credit for the fact that you've come so far, for even buying the products. You're sitting here right now watching this video, which means that you might be a step closer than some people. So you should give yourself a pat on the back for that, as opposed to being mad at yourself because it might not be to the standard that you want just yet. Because that's not to say that you won't get there, you're just not there yet. The key word is yet. Because you're going to get there, girl. You're going to get it. You're going to get it, girl. You're going to get it. But yes, now I am applying my base coat, which I purchased also from Primark. I love Primark, yo. Not just for their clothes, yo. And that is the nails, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you tell a friend, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to not give up on yourself, guys.